Hi, it's Marcy. I love Indian chai, and I've had so much fun taking the time to get just the right mix of spices. I have to say that this is the biggest ginger I have ever seen. Isn't it gorgeous? I make enough chai on Mondays to last all week. Did you know that the spices Ayurveda recommends are therapeutic? They are all great for digestion. You can vary how much you put of each spice in according to what you need. And here are some of the most amazing benefits of these spices. Ginger is the most universal of medicines, and it helps with nausea, colds, flu, and more. And cloves help with killing bacteria, toothache, and it regulates blood sugar and more. Did you know that star anise is rich in antioxidants, vitamin A and C? It helps with slow the aging process and diabetes. It also helps with cold and flu. Cardamom is cooling and sweet, and it helps lower blood pressure. Cinnamon lowers blood pressure and blood sugar and risk of type 2 diabetes. It relieves digestive discomfort and more. My chai recipe has lots of cinnamon in it. It is sweet and heating. There are so many benefits beyond its taste. It has antioxidants, and it's antiviral, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and anti-fungal. It can help to lower blood pressure, blood sugar, and cholesterol levels. Long pepper. Oh gosh, I love long pepper. With all the damage to my lungs from my autoimmune disease, long pepper gives me breathing support. It is an expectorant, a decongestant, and bronchodilator. It can help with asthma. And don't forget that each of these spices they're all good for digestion. Whole black pepper is a potent antioxidant and has qualities as an anti-inflammatory as well. This pepper may also help with cholesterol, blood sugar levels, and brain and gut health. Did I mention that I like my chai spicy? Here's the cayenne, especially in the winter. It's rich in capsaicin, and which protects mucous membranes in the lungs by stimulating healthy secretions. It helps with circulation, and it helps the body absorb nourishment. It also helps with the free flow of oxygen to the brain. Cayenne is said to help prevent diarrhea. Most chai has Assam black tea, and that's what I use. I love the organic. All of this is organic. And I can't tolerate much caffeine at all in coffee, but I have no problems with the amount of caffeine in Assam tea. It also has health benefits. I brew it for just a short time, so I do get some mental alertness, but no jitters. Now, I have to tell you that every chaiwala has her secret ingredients and or her amount of spices, but if you'd like to know my chai recipe, I'm happy to offer it to you. Comment or DM me with your email and I will send it to you, I promise. Anahata says that if she had to pick one fragrance that was the scent of our home, she'd have to say the smell of chai boiling on the stove. Ooh.